Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to be putting these handguards on my NC700x. It's a 2014 model. I don't think that these ones are specifically listed as fitting, but I don't see any reason why they wouldn't. But one thing that's kind of frustrating is they do not come with any instructions, hence why I'm going to take this video. I'll share it with you guys. There's probably going to be a few hiccups, but we'll see. Right there's the part number for this if you're looking to do this as well, and that's all that came in the box as far as I thought would be instructions, but you go to the website and it's all it is just the accessories for the Honda, so it's nothing useful. But so yeah, we'll get started here. I got the bike in the garage here. It's a little messy in here, but I guess the first thing I'm going to do is just take off those bar ends and figure out what next I got to do from there. Alright you guys, so I thought I'd just run you through what I did on the right hand side. Now I'm looking at the left hand side. So the way this seems to go is you just pop it on like so. It fits over this groove here, and that's where it's going to lock into then. And in order to do that, you'll use one of these pan head screws. It's a hex on the front, but you shouldn't even really need it. It should be a 5 though, but all you'll use is one of these acorn nuts. Thread her on there. If I could get it started. There we go. Just make sure you're all lined up. Get her snug. As far as the end, for your bar end, put the rubber washer on top of that. And what it uses that big screw here, and that's a 5mm hex key. And then it's just going to go in just like that, and that's what you're going to screw into your bar end there. And you'll need this guy and the lock nut. As far as these guys, I'm not even sure what they're used for. Maybe I'll find out by the end of this. I'm assuming it must be for some wiring, because unless there's something different on the driver's side, or I'm sorry, the left-hand side, nothing was interfering on the right-hand side. So yeah, we'll bring you up there and just show you how I installed them. Alright, so first thing you can do is just start threading on your bar end here. There should be a groove that's it's almost like a moon shape. It'll only go in one way. So once you line that up, you should be fine. Okay. So yeah, once you got that in, you can slip on your shield itself, and then the rubber washer is going to be on the inside of this. That steel washer is going to be on the outside. I'm just going to move this wire tie out of the way for now. I'll reattach that when we're done, just so I'm not going to get interfered by the wires. And then this will just latch on there. Your bolt hole goes through right here, and this latches onto the flange. It's really quite simple once you see it. Then what I found for the bar end is grab onto it with a pair of channel locks or something, and something soft so it doesn't abrase it. But I was having troubles with the other side. That was spinning on me. Alright, that's tightened down. And then you can just tighten down your clamp down here once you have it where you'd like it as far as position wise. And just like that, it should all be done. Alright you guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you guys. Have a good one.